Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to live a healthy and productive life. Today, we're going to talk about good morning habits that can help you start your day on the right foot. We've all heard the saying, the early bird catches the worm, and it's true. Starting your day early can give you more time to accomplish your goals and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. But what should you do in the morning to make the most of your time? Here are some of my favorite morning habits that can help you start your day off right. Wake up at the same time every day. Having a consistent wake-up time can help regulate your body clock and improve the quality of your sleep. Try to aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night. Drink a glass of water. After a night of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up can help jumpstart your metabolism and keep you hydrated throughout the day. Exercise. Even a quick workout in the morning can help you feel more energized and focused for the day ahead. It doesn't have to be anything intense. Even a 10-minute walk or some stretching can do wonders for your mood and productivity. Practice gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for in your life. It could be as simple as the roof over your head or the food on your table. Practicing gratitude can help shift your focus to the positive and set a good tone for the day. Eat a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Eating a nutritious meal can provide you with the energy you need to tackle your day with ease. So there you have it, folks. Some of my favorite morning habits that can help you start your day off on the right foot. Try incorporating one or two of these habits into your morning routine and see how they make you feel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy and productive life. And as always, have a great day.